soon as we get on the train, this room is right here. This is H. Hey everyone, welcome to our journey. Yes, we are on Amtrak and we are leaving from Washington, D.C. and we're on our way to Fort Lauderdale. We decided that we no longer want to be on planes, so now we are just traveling by trains. And we got ourselves a little accessible room on the 41 Floridian. And I gotta say, and John was able to roll into this room with no problem. So let me just give you some features since I just showed you the entire room. You see how big this room is? I mean, like, it's really, really big. The toilet is right here. Yes, I just cleaned that up. We have buttons, night light, sailing light, a grab bar. Is this a window? I don't even know what this is. Oh, there's a window. Oh, it's a walkway actually. There's a walkway and a window. You can actually see people. Our sink. And they give you towels, washcloths, soap. Pretty cool. Toilet paper down there. Soft, nice, and light. Room to put your suitcase if you need to. And then up here, you could put luggage up there as well. I don't know how you would do that. I guess you would have to pass it to the person who's going to sleep on that Pullman. Then you have outlets. Let's see. You got reading lights, area lights, outlets, two outlets over here. Night lights, ceiling lights, PA speaker. You got lights for everything, which is nice. A lot of room. This bed right here, the bottom bed, is really big. You can see how big this is going to be when they pull it out for John to sleep on. Lift from the bottom and it will recline for you. It is not a straight back. We folded the scooter up. Look how much space. The scooter is right here. Folded the scooter up, and then in here we have a shower. And they have handbars. They have a seat. I mean, this is all right. And if you want to know how much we paid for it, wait till the end of this video. He's so tired. He told me I couldn't sleep down there. I had to sleep on the top bunk. He don't even want to share. There's space for me. He always got me on the corner, so I could have been right on the corner of that bed. But then he would have been snoring in my ear because he'd been sleeping on my shoulder. I could so fit. That's just how much room I have when I'm in the bed at home. Oh my gosh, I'm 63. I don't know when the last time I got on a top bunk. Yeah. All right. This train moves too much. I'm gonna have a problem. But I did it. Oh, it's not bad up here. Not bad at all. And I have space. I have headroom. I'm 5'7". I have headroom. Right? My husband is 6 feet, so I don't think he would have headroom. But anyway, the blanket, this was in a bag. Nice and soft. Smells good. It's not a soft mat, but I don't like a whole soft mat. I could use 2 pillows, but I'm gonna fold it up like this when I'm ready to go to bed. All right. Yes, this is good. This is good, guys. This is my first time in an accessible room on Amtrak. It's a little hot up here. Ugh. I think you can control, you can control the air from up here. So I'm gonna turn that up a little bit. You can close the vents. You can bring them up and down. You got night lights. Cool ceiling lights right there. and a reading light right here. Not bad. Turn that off. That's right in your eye. So in order to put the luggage up there, you have to be on this top Pullman. That makes sense. You can put things in this net right here and hold it while you're sleeping, like your cell phone. You know what? If you have the opportunity and you are not getting on planes anymore like us, I had enough planes, 5 continents, and I had enough planes. I am a train girl forever. But anyway, toodaloo, good night. Like, subscribe, comment, and share. See you next time.